Today we are going to take up a new topic, that is diary entry, a writing portion, that is diary entry. Okay, now what is a diary? Diary entry is a personal account of a person. That means you can write your own personal things in it. Means you can record your day to day account in it. Okay, fine. Now you can record your past memories also in it, about your future also. Whatever you think about it, you can write in the that account. This diary entry is always written in informal way, and whatever you write should be fair. Means you have to write your personal feelings or expressions. Whatever you feel should be honest. Now let's see the format of a diary entry. First of all, like here on the left side, the date we have to put. On the top we have to put the date, then day, which day it is. Like today it is Friday, so we will put Friday here. Okay, here we have to put, on the right side we can put the time. Usually we write diaries at night, so try to write the time should be of evening time, like whenever before you sleep, that time should be mentioned. Then before writing you have to write dear diary. Dear diary you can write. Then the content will be started. The content should be in an informal way. We don't have to follow such kind of formalities in it. It is your wish how you want to start up. After writing the content, you have to mention your name here on the left side, and then you put your signature. But the signatures or the name which you put should be very in a tidy way. No untidy work should be there. Means your name or signature should be in a tidy way. So we'll see her format a sample of the diary entry here. Like one diary entry has been given here. Just look at it. December, the time, the day, date has been given. The date format should be like this. Like we have to mention the month here. Like May is going on, so put May there, and after that you have to put today's date. Okay, and after date just put comma, and then after comma then you have to put 2021. Fine. And below that you can you have to write the day. Today is like Friday, so you can mention here Friday. And on the right side, look here, the time has been given. Time they have mentioned 9:30 p.m. means evening, night time they have given. Okay, so likewise you have to start the content also. Today was the happiest day of my life. I got my annual report card. I am promoted to class 7 today. When my parents and I went to the teacher to collect the result, she heartedly announced my result in front of everyone. I secured first position in the class. It was a proud moment for me and my parents and my teacher. My parents promised me to gift me whatever I asked for. I had worked hard for this day. I promised myself to work harder and maintain this position in the next class as well. And after that you put your name here, as he has put his name Raghav. It might be a signature or his name. Okay, so you can put your signatures, initials, or you just put your name there. Fine. So like this you can write the diary entry. Got it now? Thank you so much. Bye.